This is Tony Curry, Senior Product Trainer with LG Electronics, here at the G2 Press event, here to chat with you about my favorite multitasking feature, QSlide. With QSlide, what I can simply do with QSlide is be able to multitask anywhere, anytime, no matter what I'm doing on my G2. Here you see the knock-on feature there. Let me go ahead and unlock this here. So with QSlide, easy way to access it, pull down your notification screen. Once your notification screen is pulled down, you see a number of QSlide apps here that are here on the global version of the G2. So anytime let's say if I'm in, let's say, a phone call, everything that we do on the G2 is all about intuitive ease of use. So you'll see these nice little tutorials that'll pop up if you've never used them before. So I'll go ahead and click on OK there. So here in the phone option here, I can have the phone on the screen here while I'm simultaneously doing something else. Maybe looking at a YouTube video. I can make the screen even a little smaller if I decide to do so, as well as making it more transparent, as you see there, and still being able to multitask by using the phone. So for example, once again, I'm using the phone, but now I also maybe need to type out a message. So I go to messaging here, and I've got my messaging window, which will pop up as well. So here I see my messaging window here. I've got my dialer in the background. I've got my YouTube videos running at the exact same time. So I have a lot of intuitive ease of use here with QSlide. So I can have two apps open at once on any screen itself on the G2. Now there's also another unique multitasking feature also. This is called slide aside. So even with my QSlide apps here open, with messaging, my phone dialer, and then simultaneously being able to control other different functions here on the device, I can also multitask even further. So imagine I'm going to slide these few QSlide windows kind of out of the way here. Let's move this window here, and I'm going to move this all the way over to the right. What you'll see will happen, a nice little icon will appear here on the side of the screen. This enables me to go right back in the phone or messaging should I need to. But what I can also do, let's say if I'm in the Play Store and I'm ordering up some maybe great applications, or let's say maybe I'm in a different application, let's go for maybe Gmail. Let's go for Gmail. I'm emailing someone out, and I need to do something else. What I can do is use slide aside. So using my 3 fingers, I can slide this across. This is going to enable me to go back into my app drawer, maybe open up another app. So maybe now I want to, I don't know, let's say if I wanted to go into Google+, and I'm going to use the Google+ Messenger. Same thing there, slide aside, and I can slide aside those apps. You'll see right up here at the top, here's a number of apps that are saved. So I have all of my normal apps in my home screen here, all my normal, let's say, task manager apps that are running. And even if I clear these out, and these are totally cleared out from the interface, there's nothing running in memory, my slide aside apps are still here. So all I simply need to do now, slide aside, and I've got these 3 apps, or up to 3 apps, running at the exact same time. So there's running in a, let's say, a saved state within memory so that I can move back and forth between those apps. And that's what's great about the intuitiveness, ease of use, learning from you on the G2.